Welcome to Stone Hands, to the Hands of Stone. 3 breathing exercises for great vocals and general well-being, and for an eventual DMT hit. So, the first exercise is the breath of fire. And when you are doing it, you should begin 30 seconds, then 1 minute, and eventually 3 minutes per day, I could say. So, breath of fire is similar how a dog is breathing when it's too warm. Like you push the air out and it comes in naturally. But you do it with your nose. So, and air moves from your diaphragm, from your belly. So you can hold your hands on your belly when you're breathing. And in the end, you breathe out. You tense your muscles. You hold 10 seconds or so. And then you breathe in. And again, you tense your muscles. And you hold. Breath of fire cleansifies your body. It gives a strength to your abdomen, to your diaphragm, to your lower belly. So it helps to phrase and shout out the words. It helps to be more articulate because you have just drawn out the air, and it helps to cleansify your lungs, your body, because 80% of toxins they leave through our nasal system. It's not the pee or your fecals or the sweat. It's the air, it's your breathing that is cleaning the body. So do it every day. And when you have a sweet tooth or sweet cravings, when you get a sweet craving, do a round of breath of fire and the craving is gone. Because you are able to alkalize your body with air. You're able to fill your body with oxygen, with extra amount of oxygen, which makes your brain tingle and activates the hormones of well-being, the happiness hormones. So the second exercise is consonants, and it's like rapping, rapping and rapping, and it's R, P, T, K, R, P, T, K, and it's like you're a wrestler, like you need your strength. R, P, T, K, 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 R, P, T, K. Got to be vicious, aggressive. You're throwing out your R's and P's and D's and K's. R, P, T, K, 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 R, P, T, K. It gives huge strength to your diaphragm, and it also helps to build your stomach muscles, because when you're doing this exercise, your whole stomach is working together with your body. Your whole body is actually working like R, P, T, K, R, P, T, K, R, P, T, K, R, P, T, K. This exercise is best done when you're standing up. The first one is best done when you're sitting down, because you can become dizzy. But this R, P, T, K also improves the articulation. You learn to roll your R's, you see, and it gives a concrete viciousness in your phrasing, in the things that you're going to say. So the third breathing exercise, and it comes from the Wim Hof method. So it's simple. You take a full breath in, full body, belly, diaphragm, ribs, lungs, upper lungs. You breathe out, and you do it 30 times, maybe 10 times. Full in, fully out. And last one, you empty your lungs, you empty your belly, and you stay empty. You don't breathe, just be. And you can be like that for a minute, even 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And when you can't be anymore empty, then breathe in and hold, and tense all your muscles. And hold as long as you can. This exercise is also best done when sitting down or laying on your back. It helps you to alkalize your body as well and activates the DMT in the brain. And when you're in the cold, like going into the cold water, this technique helps to prevent feeling the cold. When you're empty or you are holding your breath in or out, you do not feel cold at that moment. You will feel cold only when you are breathing. And the second effect is that it gives a meditative state. Your mind is empty. You're in a listening. And you can do exercises like that. And you can do amazing amount of push-ups or whatever exercises you choose. Because when body is alkaline, you can strain it more. You can do more exercises, more strength training, and nothing happens. Or when you have run just a marathon or you are fatigued from your training, just do a few rounds of breathing exercises and do all 3 of them, and the benefits will be amazing to your own well-being, and you will be just tripping around a little bit when you're a little bit dizzy or fuzzy. But most important, you can have a really strong physical body, and actually you're able to articulate your things in a much better way. You're able to use the foundation of the voice, the foundation of stomach, to phrase and articulate your words, that the breath comes from the right place. Because most people have a weak voice. Their breath is coming from the top of their lungs, and it is just hard to listen to them. But when the voice comes from the right place, it's easy to listen. It's easy to be understood, like the actors are the masters of the voice control. So I wish you all the best. Check out 8 exercises for amazing voice, and see you next time.